Your model scored 100% on the test. That sounds great, but it is a trap. The model did not learn anything, it just memorized the answers. Today we fix that. Let us start simple. A good model should find the real patterns in the data. Here are our training points. The true pattern behind them is this smooth curve. The model never sees this curve. It must learn it from the points. Overfitting is when the model memorizes the data instead. Watch this wiggly curve. It bends hard to hit every single point. It even copies the random noise. On the training points, this looks perfect, but it learned the noise, not the pattern. Now the real test. New data arrives that the model never saw. The smooth curve stays close to the new points, but the wiggly curve misses them badly. It only knew the old points. It cannot handle anything new. So how do we spot overfitting? The clear tell is the gap. As training goes on, the training error keeps dropping. At first, the test error drops too, but then the test error starts to rise. That growing gap is the warning sign. Let us put real numbers on it. Training accuracy climbs all the way to 100%. That looks amazing, but test accuracy is only 72%. That big gap is overfitting. The model memorized instead of learning. Why does this happen? There are three common causes. The model has too much capacity, so it can bend to anything, or there is too little data to learn from, or we simply train it for too long. The good news is the fixes are simple. First, give the model more data. When many more points put in, the wiggly curve has to smooth out. It can no longer memorize each one. Second, use a simpler model. Shrink the network down. A smaller model just cannot bend enough to memorize the noise, so it is forced to learn the real pattern instead. Third, add regularization. Think of it as a penalty for being too wiggly. It gently pulls the curve back towards smooth. Dropout helps too. It hides random parts of the model during training. Fourth, stop early. Look back at our gap chart. There is a sweet spot where test error is lowest. That is the best model. Stop training right there before the test error climbs. So remember the real goal. It's generalization, not memorization. The model that learns the pattern works on data it never saw. That is the win. Follow for more AI explainers.